Hello everyone, I'm NK. Today I'm here with you with QZY QS1, a cheap true wireless headset. Okay, this is the QCY QS1. The box itself shows the image of headphone. Let's check the back. It shows the name, Bluetooth profile. It gives 120 hours standby and around 4 hours of music. Okay, now let's unbox it. The package is nice. The cover used is very nice actually. It's so hard. Okay, let's open it and see what's inside. Inside we'll have the headphone with its case. It's very stiff. Let's put it away and check what's inside. Okay, here we have two pairs of earbuds, a micro USB to USB connector, and some paperwork. Okay, let's keep it aside and let's go back to our headphone. Okay, let's see how it works. It's a magnetic one, so when we pull it, it automatically starts and try to connect, and the two headphones will pair each other when we just take it apart. Okay, there is a cable. Actually, there's a pin for charging itself. When we put the headphones in the case, it will charge automatically and the indicator will show. Okay, here is the micro USB port and it shows 5 volt 500 milliampere. It's really nice battery actually. Since it has no lid, so you think it will fall down. Okay, let's check that. No, the magnet is pretty strong. It will not fall down. That's all. I will take a deep review next time. So till then, catch you later. Bye.